Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a 70 kg ice hockey goalie originally at rest has 0.280 kg hockey pucks left at him at a velocity of 39.5 m per second. Suppose the goalie and the puck have an elastic collision and the puck is reflected back in the direction from which it came. What would the final velocities of the goalie and the pucks be? In this case, assume that the collision is completely elastic. Number m over s goalie, number m over s puck, and answer the question. Therefore, the final velocity of the goalie is 39.7 m. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.